Hello and welcome new and old subscribers. If you are a visitor, subscribe now. And if this is your first time, I'm thrilled that you're here. Let's get this Dollar Tree haul started. You won't believe this Dollar Tree today. Let's get it started. First up, we have items by Resin Studio. Can you believe it? They have mica powder and they have a set of gold, kind of red, orange, and pink. And then they have a set of green, blue, purple, and gray. Awesome, great, wonderful find. Next, we have the by Resin Studio. We have the mix in, and these, I guess you put them in the resin. Also, card makers can put them in their shaker cards. Awesome find for card makers as well. It has stars, musical notes, gold star, colorful music notes, silver and gold music notes. What else to say? Gold flakes, silver star, gold medal confetti. I think this is an awesome find for many people. I'm showing you the pigment inks right now, but I'm going to show them a little bit separate coming up. Just give me one more minute. There you have it. First we have, I think this is pink, but it's called Rose Pigment Ink. And this is a great find for people who also use mixed media. This is red. You can pour the mixed media and make your colors. You can put it in your gesso. This is blue, or you can mix it with spackle. Some people used to mix it in with spackle. Yellow. We have yellow. This is 0.25 ounces. And it was supposed to be 4 colors. Next, we have the earring finder. We have it in silver. And we have it in gold. Can you believe it? I believe this is an awesome find for jewelry makers or just inexperienced jewelry makers. Then they have the pliers. They have different type of pliers to go along with. This is the first time I've seen this type of pliers, with the little fangs. And then this is, I think, considered the long nose pliers. And these are just like the short snippet ones. I don't know the technical terms. I think these are the long nose ones. The other ones kind of look like long nose with those as well. I know sewers that work with material. This is fusible interfacing. Can you believe that? They're getting all the supplies for sewers or beginner sewers. If you just want to try it out, awesome, great, wonderful find. I keep saying that, but it is. It's cool. More by Crafter Square. This is craft swatches, and it comes with the leaves, the white and gold leaves, kind of, and then the silver and the white with the stars. Great for sewers who want to sew little swatches together to make whatever, or anyone. Crafters, it's a crafter's heaven right now. Uh, the size is 12.25 by 14.5. So it's, I guess, a nice size, probably similar to the material size that you buy from Dollar Tree. So have at it. We interrupt this video to have you follow the instructions on the screen. It would be greatly appreciated. And guess what? It's 100% free if you follow these instructions. Thanks. More by Crafter Square. We have diamond painting sheets, and it's 6 by 8. And this is a perfect example to try out new things without spending a whole lot of money. And this is a parrot. You can try it out and see if you like it. And then if you really like it, get into it. If you don't, you can move on to something else. Next, we have the tiger. And it's 6 by 8 as well. And it's the diamond painting sheet. And last of the diamond painting sheets, we have roses. And it is 6 by 8 as well. So like I said, if you want to try out some new things, here's your opportunity to begin. And if you been wanting to try new things, here you have it. We're on a roll with Crafter Square. We have DIY crochet animal kits, and it includes plastic needle, yarn, stuffing, crochet hook, plastic beads, and instruction sheet. And this one, it has a unicorn and a dog, and the other one, I think it's an awesome find, especially for kids, or even if you're a beginner crocheter. This will give you a little practice to see if you like it. Also, they have is a, I don't know if it's a dinosaur or something, and then another like a teddy bear. So, like I was saying, these are great starter items to practice on to see if you're interested in, or if your children are interested in these type of items. You know, it's inexpensive because sometimes, you know, when you just want to start crafts or projects, they can get so expensive. This way, try it out to see if you like it. I know I keep repeating that, but it's a great opportunity. If you see it, go for it. Just do it. Another awesome find by Crafter Square, ink pads in green, black, red, and blue. I believe some time ago they used to have them. I believe now they just brought them back. I think it's great because I know I do make cards. I am a card maker, and ink pads can get expensive. And this is an inexpensive way to try out to see if you like card making, because Dollar Tree does have a few stamps. You could try this out. They even have our acrylic block that you put the stamps on to use on the ink pad. So, like I said, this is a great beginner. Plus, if you believe it or not, they even have some new upgraded, what is it called? I'm sorry, crafter paper packs. You see, they have these polka dots. They have like black, green, gold, like burgundy. These are great beginner card making items. So, like if you want to get into card making, but you don't know if you want to invest that kind of money into it, try it out to see if you like it. I don't know what kind of quality, like the ink pads are or the paper. It may be poor quality, but it's a start. By the way, I'm a card maker, so you might want to go back and watch some of my videos of me making cards. I know I need to do more, but I do have a few. And these are by Crafter Square. They're wood pieces. And like we were talking about card making, you can put these on cards. You can leave them that way, or you can paint them to a certain color. But you can put sunshine and, sparkle up someone's day, or make other crafts using these. They have the words, they have the arrows, they have hello, they have the coffee cup or teacup, whichever one you want. So, like I said, Crafter Square and Dollar Tree is showing you can begin learning new crafts if you want to at an inexpensive price. I should be the spokesperson for this, right? If you agree, let me know in the comment section down below. Well, I know this item really doesn't have anything to do with all the crafts we've been talking about, but these are the books for Halloween. But as crafters, you can use them to make other items as well. I thought I'd just give you a little quick, in the end, just a quick look at the different type of quote unquote books that they have, or fake in books, whatever you want to call them. And so it's just, showing you, the last of probably the Halloween. So this is all I have. Wait, we have the pumpkin carver and scooper. Those who like to do your pumpkins, this is a great item. I thought I would just show it to you on the way out. This is all I have for today. Don't forget to watch, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notifications, subscribe. And it's been a pleasure showing you all these items that what you can create if you want to. Like I always say, be blessed. Until the next time.